guys, it's Jessica, and well, the last couple videos have been anti-hauls, and this one is the opposite. This is an unboxing video. So I have the Orly Color Pass here, and Color Pass is a quarterly subscription box. I got my annual subscription for $109. I'm pretty sure each one is 6 polishes and then some bonus items, so it's actually a really good price for polishes. And Orly has such beautiful colors. I actually haven't used them before, so I'm really excited to give that a try. I'm not going to be swatching in this video. I haven't really figured out a good setup for swatches, but if you want to see swatches, let me know, and maybe I'll start doing some swatch videos too, so comment down below. If you are really big into nail polish and you like Orly, you've probably already seen this. This is the summer collection, and I'm pretty late to the game on subscribing for summer. So most people who do nail polish have already done this review and this unboxing. But I finally gave in on Facebook. So one of the things I talked about in my anti-hauls is, like, why do you buy things and why do you bring things in the house and how do you stop doing that? And I would say that nail polish is a thing that I don't think adds to the clutter very much because it's small. And so it doesn't stress me out to be getting it in that manner. And then I shop to relieve stress. I shop when I'm anxious. I shop when I have insomnia. This was an insomnia purchase. I actually did not buy it probably 5 or 6 times before I finally was like, I really do want the Orly. So I'm super excited to find out what is in the box. So let's open it up. And it says, love your nails, and has some packing material. So let's take that out. Okay, so the first thing is bonus items. Oh, it has my colors. It shows what it is. It has a suggested nail art. I'm not sure that's really a tutorial. Like, paint parts of your nail. I don't know. I guess it's a pretty nail polish design, but I wouldn't call that a nail art tutorial. So it looks like these are some neons, and the bonus item is a Fast Dry top coat. And then there's also a 20% off code for their custom color labs. Those are $20 nail polishes, so it's a good coupon, but I don't think I'll use it. I don't need to spend that much for the custom colors because they're custom colors. They don't really have like a lot of finishes. They have some shimmers and stuff, but like you can't do glitters or hollows or hex glitters or all the different things that make nail polish fun. You're basically just getting solids, and there are so many places that make really fabulous solids. So here's the first. This is the bonus item. So when we think about, like I said, it was $109 for 4 boxes. There's 6 polishes a box plus bonus items. So it's about like $4.50, $5 per bottle of polish, which is really great. The polishes I typically buy are more in like the $14 per bottle range. So this is a good price. And the top coat is essentially free. And top coat, especially Fast Dry top coat, is something I'm always looking for. So I'm super excited about that. Now let's take a look at the collection. Look at that. Oh, I like it. So my initial thoughts is neons are super in this summer. Like, it seems like everyone has released a neon collection. I don't have very many of them because I have not bought a lot of the neon collections that have come out. So this is a good one for me. I love all these colors. It's interesting to me that it's like there's 2 purples and 2 greens, but there isn't really a pink or there isn't really a blue. And honestly, these are like 2 oranges. So maybe this was intentional because there's not really a yellow. This is more of an orange. That there's kind of 2 of each color. So the colors names, the dark green is Plastic Jungle. The bright green is Neon Paradise. The light orange is Tangerine Dream. And then Artificial Orange, Kaleidoscope Eyes in Synthetic Symphony. I'm super excited to try these. I actually just painted my nails yesterday. I'm not sure if you can see. These are the Hollow Taco metallics, and I think this is Mint Money and Cheap Champagne. So I probably won't use these today, but I'm really excited. Maybe I'll do a pedicure. Okay, here's my complaint, and this is the silliest complaint in the world. So many collections have 6 or 7 nail polishes. And I really like what I guess is now called a Skittle Mani, but I've been doing since like 1992, is 1 color on each nail. There's 6. That means I have to pick a color not to use. How do I pick what not to use when they're all so beautiful? This is especially my problem when you get rainbow collections when there's 7 colors, or again 6, sometimes they leave one out. 7 is not something I can divide amongst my nails. So, silly complaint. But this is my first Orly box, and I can't wait to get 3 more, and thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you like these videos, if you would prefer me to just stick to the decluttering stuff. Like, I'm not a good YouTuber because I don't have a niche. I just post whatever I feel like, and that's not a good way to get people to watch. And I do like that you watch. So leave a comment down below and hit that like button to let me know if you liked this one. And I'll see you next time.